high-speed 3D laser pipe cutting machine G90K, featuring bevel cutting function, smart and precise metal processing equipment. Application fields. The G90K is widely used across various industries, including hardware accessories and furniture manufacturing, meets complex designs and high-precision requirements. Automotive and Transportation covers metal pipe processing for automobiles, motorcycle, electric vehicles, and bicycles. Construction and Decoration, suitable for railings, guardrails, and decorative installations. Medical equipment, processes stainless steel pipes for precise medical instruments. Other industries, such as sports equipment, elevator equipment, anti-theft nets, and shelving manufacturing. Key features: innovative laser head Ospri, equipped with autofocus capability and a built-in linear actuator for precise and efficient adjustments. Features water cooling, dust protection, and anti-reflection design for extended lifespan. Industry-leading laser source, supports Mach or Raycus, with power options of 150 AW, 2000 W, and 3000 W.